Welcome, in front of me I have fake Samsung, a smartphone from Amazon, and it's called Android phone A82. Today I will show you how you can install iPhone keyboard on this device. So at the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on search pool and type green Apple keyboard. We have to get that application. Let's install. Click accept. Okay, right now we can open that application. Click to enable in the settings, then tap on the switcher. Click OK. Next, just go back and click to switch input methods. Switch to United States green Apple keyboard. Click finish. Right now we can enjoy your new keyboard. As you can see, it looks almost the same like on iOS device, and here we can find also emojis. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.